All right, all right, all right. I have got one of those cult classics in front of me right here. This is a 2019 Twin Vee 26 Ocean Cat. This is one of those beautiful boats that kind of everybody's looking for because of the amazing ride. They usually have a pretty good price point, and they're just hard to find. They usually switch hands before they can make it here to the dealership, but this beautiful 26-foot catamaran's got a pair of 175 horsepower Suzuki engines on there. She got a couple big old 3-blade choppas on there, big dive ladder. She sports an 8-foot 6-inch beam. She's got a 138-gallon fuel capacity. She's got a 16-inch draft, and she is fishable and stable. Twin Vees power catamaran hulls have been fine-tuned for maximum fluid induction between the two hulls. And they basically create counter-rotating hydrodynamic vortices of compressed air and water that provide a cushion of kinetic energy, which softens the wave impacts dramatically for a smoother ride, even in rough seas. And that resulting pressurized mixture is then channeled through the hull, and it gives you super clean, super nice water for the motors back there to run through. And all that scientific talk just means that this hull is designed to take that air slurry mix, send it through the tunnel, compress it, and then you're sitting on a big old cloud of kinetic energy. And that's what makes these things just an amazing ride. Absolutely amazing ride. I'm a seasick boat salesman, so if we're going out, I'm going out on a catamaran, or I'll see you when you guys get back. Nice giant dive ladder, center entry, whether you're snorkeling, diving, or just enjoying the water in general. Easy to get on, easy to get off. As I mentioned, this is their Ocean Cat. So this thing is set up for fishing. No seats back here, but you can easily throw some bean bags or put you a nice cooler here with a cushion. Giant live well. I think this was a 50-gallon live well. Nice little spot to do all your bait prep and all that good stuff. Plenty of rod holders. There's your outrigger poles for your bases there. Plenty of rod holders, cup holders. This thing is, I'm telling you, this thing is ready to fish. Giant fish box right here underneath the seat. This one's got a pair of 12-inch Garmin GPS units, Fusion stereo, nice rocker switches. She's got the Garmin autopilot. These are digital engines. There's your VHF radio, nice e-box. And then there's a top mount here if you want to run another Simrad or a Ray Marine and put those new Seymour maps on there, you can. The upholstery's still in great shape. The aluminum's in great shape. Got some tackle storage here. And then inside the console, everything's easy to get to, well lined out. Still got room for a little porta potty if you want to put you a porta potty in there. Nice cooler with a cushion forward of the console here. So you've got increased ice carrying capacity, or you can throw some more fish in there that you've caught. Big storage here, both port and starboard on the front of the boat. And this one's got a nice Lumar windlass. And you've got plenty of casting space up here, or just hanging out space. This boat is also equipped with a nice light bar, Garmin radar, and she's got the Taco outriggers. Twin Vee 26 Ocean Cat, 8-person maximum. No maximum on fun. Got some more tackle storage there. Got some more tackle storage here. Nice little spot to put your sharpener and your knife. Very convenient recessed bow rail here. And you know what to do, you've got to hit me up. My number's going to be in the description. You can just comment on this video and I will respond to you and tell you how you can purchase this beautiful boat. But first things first, you got to reach out. And I've got financing, I take trades, we've got insurance. I've got a big old white lab here that would just love to lick your face and let you scratch your butt. So we've got everything taken care of. You just got to reach out to me and say, Jared, I need this 2019 Twin Vee 26 underneath my Christmas tree tomorrow, since tomorrow's Christmas. And I'll move heaven and earth to make it happen. And even if you miss the Christmas deadline, we'll still do what we can to get it right underneath your tree, on your doorstep, on your dock. You just let me know.